With FTX gone, you may be wondering, what's the best exchange to buy crypto now? Unfortunately, that answer is not so straightforward because each of the crypto exchanges have their pros and cons. So, in this video, I'll be sharing 7 crypto exchanges which you can use to buy and sell your cryptos. What are their fees, features, pros and cons? Also, just let me say this upfront. There's no crypto exchanges that's 100% safe now. The safest exchange right now is probably DBS Digital Exchange, but it's only available to accredited investors. So, normal people like you and me can't use it. The next safest exchange, in my opinion, is Coinbase, simply because it's a publicly listed company that's audited by regulators and has an in-principle approval with MAS. But even they have already warned that if they ever go bankrupt, investors will still lose everything. So, while I'm sharing this list to you, just be aware that all of these exchanges can jibaboom and die anytime. That's why the moment you buy the cryptos, you need to immediately transfer them out to a private wallet, yeah? So, with the warning out of the way, I will first start with crypto exchanges that are licensed by MAS to provide digital payment token services in Singapore. First, Independent Reserve. Independent Reserve is the first crypto exchange that's gotten the crypto license to operate in Singapore. Currently, they are offering 19 cryptos on their platform. Their trading fee starts at 0.5%, but the higher volume you trade, the cheaper it gets. For fiat deposits, when you do a SGD fast deposit of at least $1,000, there won't be any fees. But anything below that, there will be a $2.50 processing fee. And when you withdraw SGD, there will be a $1.50 withdrawal fee. So don't anyhow withdraw here, withdraw there, yeah? Finally, crypto withdrawal fees will vary depending on the crypto that you want to withdraw. Though, when withdrawing cryptos, Independent Reserve will need you to prove ownership of the address, either by transferring in a small amount of crypto from the address, signing a message using private keys, or showing them a screenshot of the wallet that you are sending to. So, it's a bit more troublesome. Okay, what do I like about Independent Reserve? They're easy to use, licensed by MAS, have an auditor to verify their holdings, and keep our funds segregated from the company's funds. But, like I mentioned earlier, there's no guarantee that our funds are 100% safe, yeah? As to what I don't like about Independent Reserve, their trading fees are not the cheapest out there, and they are charging a $1.50 fee every time you withdraw money back to your bank account. Next, CoinHardCo. CoinHardCo has also gotten a crypto license to operate in Singapore. Currently, you can trade over 40 plus cryptos with them. But just take note that not every crypto can be transferred out of CoinHardCo. For example, you can't withdraw Avalanche, Cardano, and Cosmos out of CoinHardCo. The one special thing about CoinHardCo is that there's a rewards program where if you log in every day or trade, you will receive some points, which you can then use to get additional discounts or convert to cryptos. As for the fees, CoinHardCo charges a flat 0.6% trading fee. There's no fee for depositing SGD, but there's a $2 fee when you withdraw SGD. Similarly, crypto withdrawal fees will depend on the crypto that you are trying to withdraw. CoinHardCo only lets you withdraw cryptos to either your personal wallet or an exchange that's supporting the travel rule, like Binance, Crypto.com, OKX, and so on. Any exchanges that are not on the travel rule list will not be approved. So just take note. Okay, what I like. CoinHardCo is easy to use, has a rewards system, and is licensed by MAS. But again, this license doesn't mean anything because if CoinHardCo collapses, we will still lose our cryptos. What I don't like, there's a $2 fee for withdrawing SGD. You're not able to withdraw every crypto, which makes it pointless to buy those cryptos on their platform. And there's a travel rule list which makes it hard to withdraw cryptos to other platforms. Quick pause. Tiger Brokers is now offering a very generous sign-up offer. They are now giving out 1 free GoPro share, 3 days 20% U coupon, a 0.88 HP stock fractional share, and a lucky draw to win a stock worth up to 1 free Apple stock. To qualify, all you need to do is deposit $1,000 and make 5 buy trades, and you will get all those rewards. So, if you're interested, you can sign up using my link down below. With that being said, let's get back to the video. So those were the two crypto exchanges that have gotten a digital payments token license in Singapore. Next, I will talk about exchanges that haven't gotten the full license yet, but have already gotten in-principle approvals by MAS. First, Luno, not to be confused with Lunaya. The Luna crypto is long gone. I'm talking about Luno here. Luno is one of those very rare exchanges that's allowed to operate in Malaysia. And they have started to offer their services in Singapore not too long ago. Unfortunately, the exchange interface, which lets you trade crypto and has a lower fee, is not available for use in Singapore. So we can only use the simple interface which charges a higher fee. Luno is just offering 10 cryptos on their platform, which is the least amount of cryptos on this list. But if you are a safe blue chip crypto investor, this list is more than enough for you. As for the fees, they are charging a 0.75% trading fee. There's no fee for SGD deposits and withdrawals, and crypto withdrawal fees depend on the network traffic. Luno also has a travel rule where you can only send to a personal wallet or an approved exchange. If you send it to your personal wallet, they will need you to prove that you control the address by signing a private message with your private key. Otherwise, you won't be able to send cryptos to that address. Okay, what I like. Luno is a very easy to use crypto exchange. That's it. What I don't like. The 0.75% trading fee is quite high. But the good thing is that they don't charge anything for withdrawing SGD. Also, the travel rule makes it hard to withdraw cryptos to other platforms. Next, Coinbase. Coinbase is a listed company, which means that you can check their financials. But like I said, that doesn't make them any safer compared to other exchanges. Coinbase is currently offering more than 150 cryptos, which is actually quite a lot of cryptos. For trading fees, Coinbase is charging a 0.6% taker fee and 0.4% maker fee. If you blur and don't know what's maker fee and taker fee, basically, when you place an order and if it doesn't get filled immediately, then you are maker. You make a new order. Or if you place an order and it gets filled immediately, you are taker. You take an existing order. So that's taker and maker. As of making this video, Coinbase had just enabled SGD bank transfers, so that's good. Unlike the previous exchanges, Coinbase doesn't restrict where you can send cryptos to, so they are much more convenient. Okay, what I like. Coinbase is a listed company, so there's higher transparency. And crypto withdrawals are a lot easier on Coinbase. What I don't like. Nothing much except for the fact that their trading fee is not exactly the cheapest on this list. The next exchange is Crypto.com, the company that's rich enough to spend millions of dollars to buy the domain name, hire Matt Damon to do an ad, and acquire a stadium to change its name to Crypto.com Arena. They are currently offering 250 plus cryptos on the platform. And the special thing about them is that they let you apply for debit cards, which comes with perks like free Spotify and free Netflix. But since last year, they have nerfed the card so much until it's not worth getting anymore. Crypto.com is also one of those rare exchanges that lets users verify that their assets are fully backed and has an insurance program. But again, no crypto exchanges are 100% safe. For SGD funding and withdrawal, Crypto.com uses StraitsS. StraitsS is basically a third-party wallet where you can store currency and stable coins. So whenever you buy with SGD and sell to SGD, you are doing it through StraitsS, and there will be a 0.5% fee. However, take note, the bid-ask spread in the Crypto.com app is actually quite wide. So even though the trading fee is low, you will end up paying more due to the wide bid-ask spread. And because StraitsS is a wallet, there's a 5k limit per transaction and 30k limit per year. Conversion between cryptos will have no fees and no limits. There's also no fees for fiat deposit and withdrawals. For withdrawing cryptos, the fee will vary for each crypto, and they let you withdraw to any address that you want. But there's a 20k withdrawal limit per month. Okay, what I like. Among all the exchanges here, Crypto.com is the most transparent exchange, and it's easy to withdraw crypto from the exchange. But I don't like that there's a transaction limit, withdrawal limit, and a wide bid-ask spread. Next, Gemini. Gemini is also another easy to use exchange that offers over 100 cryptos. The thing you need to know about Gemini is that they have two interfaces. The simple interface is simple to use, but they charge a very high 1.49% fee. Then they have active trader interface, which is slightly more complicated but charges a very low 0.2 to 0.4% fee. So whenever you use Gemini, you need to make sure that you are using the active trader interface, yeah? The downside of active trader is that there's very limited SGD trading pairs. So if you want to buy cryptos other than BTC and ETH, you will need to convert to either BTC and ETH first, then convert to the other cryptos that you want. So that's 2 times the fee. The other downside about Gemini is that they have frozen withdrawals from the Gemini Earn program, and user funds are now stuck in Gemini Earn. Though you can still withdraw funds if you are just using the normal Gemini exchange. Besides that, Gemini is also being charged by the SEC for selling unregistered securities. So that's what you need to know about Gemini when using them. There's a tiny withdrawal fee when withdrawing cryptos, and Gemini lets you withdraw cryptos to any exchange that you want. But whenever you add a new address, you will need to wait for a total of 7 days for the address to be approved. What I like about Gemini, their trading fees and crypto withdrawal fees are very low. What I don't like, they are currently involved in some scandal, and there's a 7-day approval period before you can withdraw your crypto to a new address. Okay, so far all our exchanges have more or less gotten a license from MAS. But the downside is that they either offer very little cryptos or have high transaction fees, or it's not easy to withdraw cryptos from. So here's an exchange that's a ton of cryptos, very little transaction fees, and easy to withdraw cryptos from. And that is KuCoin. But they are not regulated by MAS. So use at your own risk, yeah? KuCoin currently offers 600 plus cryptos and is constantly adding more. They have a ton of features like trading board, NFT, derivatives trading, and they don't require you to go through KYC to use them. So what's the catch? They don't support SGD. So the only way you can fund your account is by buying the cryptos elsewhere and transferring them into KuCoin. KuCoin trading fee is very low at just 0.1%, and the crypto withdrawal fee are also the lowest. So KuCoin is suitable if you want to buy those exotic coins, shitcoins, or do something complicated with cryptos like derivative trading. What I like, KuCoin has very low fees and offers a ton of cryptos. What I don't like, not regulated by MAS and they don't support SGD. So those are some of the crypto exchanges that you can use. Personally, my main exchange is Gemini because they make it very easy to deposit SGD and has the lowest fees among all the exchanges that are regulated by MAS. After buying the crypto, I will immediately transfer them out to my private wallet. For cold wallets, you can either use Ledger or Trezor, both of which cost at least $100, which is a little expensive. But they are a lot safer than keeping your cryptos online, yeah? However, if you don't want to buy a cold wallet, you can transfer your cryptos to either MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Both free to use, but they are connected to the internet, so they are more susceptible to hacks. Anyway, that's all for this video. Hopefully, it helps you out. Like, share and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday.